Hey, so, think you're taking good care of your teeth? You might be, but you could actually be unknowingly ruining them every single day. Here are 5 common mistakes that are silently destroying your smile, mistakes even smart people make. Mistake number 1, brushing too hard. A lot of people think that brushing harder means cleaner teeth, but it actually damages your enamel and gums. Enamel doesn't grow back. Once it's gone, it's gone. So use a soft bristled toothbrush and, brush gently. Mistake number 2, not flossing every day. Flossing isn't optional. It removes plaque and bacteria that your toothbrush can't reach. Skipping it leads to gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. Mistake number 3, constant snacking. Every snack causes an acid attack on your teeth, and that attack can last up to 30 minutes. Snacking all day means your teeth are always under attack. Try to reduce snacking and, drink water after eating. Mistake number 4, using your teeth as tools. Opening packages, biting nails, or holding pens. These habits can crack or chip your teeth. Use tools, not your teeth. Mistake number 5, skipping regular dental visits. You might feel fine, but early problems don't hurt, yet. Regular checkups catch issues before they get serious. Visit your dentist twice a year. So how many of these mistakes are you making? It's never too late to fix them. Like this video if you learned something new. And hey, subscribe for more smart, simple dental tips. Tell us in the comments, which mistake surprised you the most?